Hello there. In this video, we're going to talk about how to apply mobile layout guide in Figma. Before we begin, I shall give you a quick demo on a mobile layout. We go ahead and click on another prototype. Okay, a proper prototype with the masthead fixed as we scroll. Click. Okay. So let's begin. Mobile layout guides. To begin creating a mobile frame, press F on your keyboard. You will see frames for mobile phone, pre-made ones. Select iPhone 17. Pops up somewhere. It's okay. Click and drag into the space you are working on. Now that you have that, on the right frame, on the right panel, go down to Layout Guide. Click the plus icon. Choose columns. Count 4, margin 16, gutter 16. Once you have that, you will notice this appearing. That is the vertical columns. Go ahead and click plus again to create a row. Single row, count 1. Set it to the top, height of 50. Can leave it as that. The moment, there you have it. And with these two row and columns created, click on this to apply style. In this case, when you click plus style, what is for is a mobile layout. And you create. So in the future, when you need for any other page that you have created, just go ahead and create another frame. Press F, 17. In this case, you can always quickly apply layout by choosing, and then it appears. Just delete that. So next we go back to this. Why do we apply mobile layout guide? So in these other examples, when you create a mobile layout guide and a masthead, take note that traditionally this masthead doesn't look normal. I use the word normal because there is this big space up here. Why do we have that? In this case, just go ahead and apply the right. Notice that that was the horizontal space that we are given. And why do we do that? View the prototype. You notice that in all if not most cameras, in most phones, there is always a front-facing camera. You do not want to apply any design elements around that area because it will be cropped off by the camera depending on the mobile design. Just gonna try to change a device. Could I? Okay, in prototype, let me choose another device. 17. Let's choose Android. There you go. Notice that Android also has a camera. It's not as wide, but it does block. Mobile medium. No, that's strange. iPhone 14. Look at all the different models. There is always some form of camera blocking. That's the reason why we do not want that. We want to create a guide so that you do not put any designs around it. So that is that. So when you begin laying out your designs, don't forget to start creating your guides. And in terms of masthead, once you have the guides in place, you will know how to lay things out that doesn't get cropped off. When it comes to margin, similarly, any important information should not be within the margin because that's the space for your error. Background image is fine. Any important buttons should always be placed. Buttons or information should be placed within the margin within the column areas. There you have it. How do we apply mobile layout guide in Figma? Thank you.